So let us start the class today. And I hope you have understood the rules. When in class, offline, you already seen and heard, but when you are at home, attending online classes, you need to keep your cameras on and microphone muted. And if you want to say something, you can raise your hands and then you can ask whatever question that which is coming in your mind. So first of all, introduce yourselves. If you want to ask me any question, you can ask questions and then we'll start the class. अगर कोई सवाल आपके मन में है, कुछ पूछना चाह रहे हैं, आप पूछ सकते हैं. Any question, कोई भी question कोर्स के लिए, सिमेज के लिए, कुछ जानना चाहते हैं, आप पूछ सकते हैं. कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछना है. सिलेबस हमने बताया था ना, जानते हैं आप लोग का पहला क्लास. नहीं, मैंने पूछा अगर कोई सवाल आपके मन में है, यू कैन आस्क क्वेश्चंस, पूछ सकते हैं. कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं है, ठीक है, तो हम पूछते हैं आपसे. चलिए अपने बारे में बताइए, इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ एवरीबॉडी. आपने नहीं पूछा तो हम पूछेंगे. चलिए, इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ एवरीबॉडी. चलिए सागर कुमार से स्टार्ट करते हैं. सागर कुमार, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ एंड इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ. हेलो सागर, आर यू हियर एट होम?
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा, अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस करो सागर.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you for this opportunity, ma'am. So introduce myself. My name is Sagar Kumar. I am around 18 years old. I am belong to a nuclear family, and I am passed the intermediate exam in 2021, and now I am took that admission in Siemens College, and my subject is BSc IT.
Okay.
That's all.
शनिकांत.
And Siemens College College.
ओके, शनिकांत, चलिए आप बताइए.
Yes. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, everyone.
गुड मॉर्निंग.
My name is Shrikant. I am 19 years old. I am from Nevada. I am currently doing BSc IT from Siemens College. I passed intermediate in 2091. Before this past matriculation in 2017, my hobby is playing cricket. My goal is to join defense.
Okay, Harsh Sinha.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
My name is Harsina. I am 17 years old. I am from Patna. I passed intermediate examination in 2019 before I passed matriculation. Sorry, ma'am. I passed intermediate in 2021 before I passed matriculation in 2019. I am studying in BSc IT from Siemens College. My hobby is playing cricket. My goal is become a software engineer.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Harsh Agnihotri.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
I am Harsh Agnihotri from Bihar Sharif. I am 20 years old and I did my schooling from Shivam Convent in 2018, and I have been done my intermediate from Adarsh Vikas Vidyalay in last year, and right now I am pursuing BSc IT from CMH College, and my hobbies are reading books, coding, and listening music. Thank you.
And we have roll number 21, Ravi Kumar.
Yes, ma'am. Hello.
Yes. Hello?
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Hello. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
So, introducing myself, ma'am.
Mm.
Okay. So, first of all, thanks to you, ma'am, for giving me opportunity at front of my friends. And I recently, approx 50 time, I will introduce to myself. And now again, I am introduced. So, my name is Ravi Kumar. I am from Motihari district, Bihar. And now I am in CMEJ, and I recently passed my 12th from Motihari L&D College, and now I am in CMEJ in BSc IT. And this course is actually very fine for my futures, and the main focus behind taking this course, I want to be a good in the IT world. Thank you, ma'am.
Vikas Kumar.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
I am Vikas Kumar. I am 18 years old. I want to be a software developer, and I am doing BSc IT from CMH College. I passed intermediate 2021. Before this, I passed matriculation 2019.
Okay. Aman Kumar. Unmute yourself. Yes. Hello.
हाँ मैम, आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Aman Kumar. I am 18 years old. I am from Siwan. At present, I am doing BSc IT from CMH College. I passed intermediate 2020 RASNS College, Siwan. Before this, I passed matriculation 2018 High School, Jigaon, Siwan. My hobby is playing cricket and listening to music. My goal is a web developer.
Okay. Abhay Kumar.
Good morning, ma'am, and good morning, everyone. My name is Abhay Kumar. I am from Gaya district, from Bihar. At present, I am doing BSc IT from CMH College, and I passed intercolations in 2019 from Gaya College, and matriculation in 2000. Sorry, ma'am. Intercolation in 2021 and matriculation in 2019. Matriculation has been done from CBSE National Public School, and my hobby is watching movies and web series.
Okay. Keep yourself muted, please. Sudhanshu Kumar.
Good morning, ma'am, and good morning, everyone. I am Sudhanshu Kumar from Sitamarhi district in Bihar. I am matriculated in 18, and I am intermediate in 20. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, now we have one more, Sumit Kumar. Yeah.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, all of you. My name is Sumit Kumar. I am from Beta. I am 18 years old. I am doing BSc IT at CMS College, Patna. I passed ISC 2021 from JNL College, Khagol. And my hobby is playing badminton. And my goal is to be a web developer.
Okay, one more left, Rana Ranjit.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hmm.
Hello, everyone. I am Rana Ranjit, and I belongs to Paliganj, district Patna. And I am 18 years old. I passed intermediate in 2021 and with first division, and I passed a matriculation in 2019. Now I am doing BSc IT in CMH College. Thank you, ma'am.
Vikas Kumar, have you given your introduction? Vikas Kumar, तुमने दे दिया अपना introduction?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now we come to students who are offline. Yes, start. Remain sitting, remain sitting. Oh no.
My name is Priya. I'm from Sivan. I passed intermediate in 2021 and matriculation 2020. I like listening music and reading a book. My goal is a software developer. My hobby are listening music and reading a book.
Yes.
My name is Anand Kumar. I am 18 years old. I belong to Bihar. Now at present I study. I passed intermediate 2020 from Sakari School, Digital Development. Before this, I passed matriculation in 2018 from Patna University. My hobby is to play cricket. My goal is to be a software engineer.
Yes, next.
My name is Ravi.
Have you logged in?
Yes.
तो उसमें बोलो ना, माइक्रोफोन में बोलो. बंद क्यों कर दियो? हाँ.
My name is Ravi. I am 18 years old.
माइक कौन है तुम्हारा?
My name is Ravi. I am 18 years old. I belong to Nalanda. I have passed intermediate 2021. I have passed matriculation 2019. At present, I am doing BSc IT from CMS College.
Speak in your microphone. आप लोग का माइक्रोफोन बिल्कुल आ ही नहीं रहा, वॉइस नहीं आ रही. ठीक है. You come here. उसके through.
Good morning, ma'am. And thank you to give me the opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. I am Srikan and I'm 18. I am from Patna. At present, I am doing BSc IT from Catalyst College. I passed intermediate this year from BD College and matriculation in 2018 from GDP School. My hobbies are listening to music, reading books, and doing some workouts. My goal is to become a software developer. There are 4 members in my family. My father's name is Mr. Kushik Prasad and he is a contractor. My mother's name is Ms. Poonam Devi and she is a homemaker. There I have only 3 sisters. That's all, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Yes.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Paul Kumar. I am 18 years old and I belong to Uttar Pradesh. And currently, at present, I am doing BSc from this college. I passed my intermediate in 2021 from TPS College from Bihar Board and in 2019 from CBSE Board from Annie Besant School. I have 5. My hobbies is to play cricket and my goal is to join defense. And I have 5 members in my family. My father name is Mr. Dildar Verma and he is an shopkeeper. And my mother name is Mrs. Sunita Devi and she is a medical helper in NMCH Hospital, Patna. I have 1 sister and 1 brother. Thank you.
Also. I am 18 years old. I am
तुम लॉग इन किए हो?
network problem.
ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं.
I belong to Patna. At present, I am doing BSc software. I passed ISC in 2021 from GNS College. Before this matriculation passed 2019 in Parkman Public School. My hobby is playing cricket and my goal is to be web developer. There are 7 members in my family. And my father name is Mr. M.D. Sami. He is a businessman. My mother name is Mrs. Tabassum Parveen. He is housewife.
चलिए. Now, is there anything you want to know from me? कुछ नहीं. हाँ, yeah, please ask you if you want to know something from me, please ask. People who are
Yes,
offline,
ma'am.
कुछ मेरे बारे में पूछना है.
Yes, ma'am.
इंट्रोडक्शन हो रहा है
Yes,
तो
ma'am.
आपको
Yes.
जरूरी है कि आप जाने मेरे बारे में. कुछ जानना चाहते हैं तो मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि जाने मेरे बारे में जरूरी, लेकिन आपके मन में कुछ अगर ऐसी बात है, any questions for me, then you can ask. Ask. ओह, मेरी डिग्री जाना चाहते हो. तुमको क्या लग रहा है मेरी डिग्री क्या है? क्या लग रहा है, क्या? What do you feel? Naturally, वो तो जरूरी है. Otherwise, I would not have been teaching in CMH College. Yeah. Come again. Not actually. English, like subsidiary paper, that's already there. But grammar also will be taken care of. Spoken also will be taken care of. English class means complete English, not only subsidiary, but we teach not only for you to pass exams, but we teach for you to be a better person, confident, smart, fluent in English, which is going to help you in your career also. So this is English class is for like everything which you need to know, which you have to know, which you should know about English, that will be taught in English classes. Yeah, any more questions?
For how many years you are taking
This college, a decade, 10 years. Otherwise, teaching more than 35 years I've been teaching.
Ma'am, can you discuss about syllabus?
Yes, I will. Before that, I wanted to know if you have any questions for me.
No,
Fine.
thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So, no more questions?
No, ma'am.
Now, the syllabus we are discussed in the last class, but then today again, I'll discuss this with you. You can write it down and I'll send the content. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am. Black.
Black?
No, ma'am. No. Now it's clear.
The Patapata University, Introduction to English Literature, subsidiary paper. So, vocational course, the paper is of 100 marks and divided into four sections. Four sections. You can write this down or simply understand this. I will be sending this to you in your group, but then you need to know. If you write down, it will be better for you.
Yes, ma'am. You discuss about it and after all,
Yeah,
you
yeah.
share PDF, ma'am.
So the first section, the poetry section.
Okay.
Okay. There are 9 poetries. How many?
9.
9. All these poets are either from Britain, outside India, like George Herbert. Love, the poem Love by George Herbert. A Slumber Did My Spirit Seal by William Wordsworth. Look, Stranger by W.H. Auden. God's Grandeur by Gerard Manley Hopkins. A Little Learning is a Dangerous Thing by Alexander Pope. Break, 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 Alfred Lord Tennyson. On His Blindness by John Milton. Ode to a Nightingale by John Keats. And Ode to the West Wind by Percy Bysshe Shelley. So these are the 9 poetries. Any question about this? You need to know line by line, word by word, the meaning of the poem, the summary of the poem. You need to know everything, the vocabulary, the meaning. For students who study literature, their English becomes stronger. Why? Because they're reading so much. Different writers, great writers, and all of them are great writers. You will learn why they write, how they write, and their feelings. So these were the 9 poetries you have to know. You have to study. The second section is the prose section. Actually, it is the story section, short story section. The first story by The Postmaster, written by Rabindranath Tagore. The second story, The Selfish Giant by Oscar Wilde. And the third is The Country of the Blind by H.G. Wells. So there are 3 sections. The same thing, you have to know the question and answers. You have to know the complete story, the characters in the story. You have to analyze the characters of the story. And you have to understand why the person has written this, why the character did this, critical analysis. And reference to the context, lines will be given to you, and you will have to identify in the exam why it was written, why that was written, who said this. There are books, Golden Heritage for poetry and for prose. There are books. Golden Heritage. And then there is the essay section. The first, the Rabindranath Tagore is the writer of the story, The Postmaster, and The Selfish Giant, the Oscar Wilde. I think E is missing over here. I will edit this. WILDE, Wilde, and The Country of the Blind. These are the 3 stories that you have to study. So 9 poetries and 3 short stories. And then you have the essay section. Essay section is the 3 writers again. The first is by India again by Edward Morgan Foster. Second, On Being a Bore by Robert Lind. And third is Life's Philosophy by Jawaharlal Nehru. So these are the 3 essays. And the third section is the drama section, the novel drama, Merchant of Venice by William Shakespeare. Merchant of Venice by William Shakespeare. The syllabus is quite vast, as you can see. 3 stories, 3 essays, 1 drama, and 9 poetries. Yeah. Literature will help you to understand people better, to program, to analyze, to think, and of course, to be a better person. And most importantly, it will help you to communicate. You will be empowered with words. You will have to make presentations. So lots happening in literature classes. So you have to take the class very seriously. And then the 4th section is the grammar and composition, essay writing. Essay writing is something which I think most of you already know what is essay writing. So this is the continuation of. So the importance of English literature. You might be thinking as an IT student, what is the point of studying literature? सोचते हो गया था ना कि लिटरेचर देने का क्या है, कुछ ग्रामर देते कुछ करते, तो वो सब तो ऑलरेडी क्लास में हो गए. बट व्हाट इज द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ लिटरेचर? If you can see the screen, you can know what is the importance of English literature. So the question is, what is the importance of English literature? Literature adds color to reality. Literature क्या करता है? It adds color to reality. It enriches the necessary competencies that daily life requires and provides. And in this respect, it irrigates the desert that our lives have already become. ये लिखा किसने है? By C.S. Lewis and British scholar and novelist. इसका मतलब क्या होता है? It adds color to our daily life. हम लोग जो दिनचर्या है, डे टू डे लाइफ का है, उसमें एक रंग भरता है। ये कहाँ से रंग भरेगा? जो स्टोरीज तुम पढ़ोगे उससे, जो पोएट्रीज तुम पढ़ोगे उससे, देखने का नजरिया बदलेगा। बिकॉज ऑल दीज राइटर्स आर वेरी फेमस राइटर्स। जैसे लोग कहते हैं क्यों विवेकानंद की किताबें क्यों लोग पढ़ते हैं? क्यों पढ़ते बताओ? Why do you read any motivational book? क्यों पढ़ते हो?
To gain knowledge.
To gain knowledge, and number two, to
enhance personality, ma'am.
To enhance personality. Enhance your personality. You read novels to change. You see how people have changed after reading Vivekanand's book. किताबें educate करती है, instruct करती है. And moreover, it can change lives. बार बार कहा जाता है कि रीड दी कुरान शरीफ। तबीयत खराब है, किसी को उलझन कोई हो जाती है, तो क्या करते हैं आप आपने कई बार डेली पढ़ते हैं, इतना पढ़ें कि आपको याद हो गया है। फिर भी आपको क्यों लगता है कि नहीं, अगर कोई उलझन है, कोई परेशानी है, तो क्या करते हो? आप पढ़ते हो कि नहीं? सुकून मिलता है पढ़ने से? मिलता है ना? You know something which you already know. ये programmed हो गया है कि कहीं परेशानी होगी, परेशान होंगे तो क्या पढ़ेंगे? हनुमान चालीसा पढ़ेंगे। पढ़ते हो कि नहीं? नहीं पढ़ते हो? नो मैम।
पढ़ते हैं मैम, कौन बोल रहा है नहीं पढ़ते हैं? लोग बिल्कुल पढ़ते हैं। हम तो
हाँ,
गीता सुनते हैं मैम, गीता
हाँ बिल्कुल।
उपदेश 1 घंटा में
तो
बहुत
कभी
सुकून मिलता
परेशानी
है।
होती है तो आप छोटी सी
यस मैम।
पॉकेट गीता तो पॉकेट बुक साइज में भी आता है। कुछ
यस
प्रॉब्लम
मैम।
है, कुछ मसला है, कुछ उलझन समझ में नहीं आ रही है, कोई चक्रव्यूह
यस
में
मैम।
कहीं है, तो क्या करते हैं? आंख बंद करके कोई पेज खोल लेते हैं और फिंगर
यस
जहां
मैम।
जाता है उसको पढ़ते हैं और सॉल्यूशंस मिल जाता है। ऐसा होता है कि नहीं?
यस मैम, होता है मैम।
बुक्स, वो भी तो एक लिटरेचर है, वो भी तो एक साहित्य है, पढ़ा
यस
किसी ने लिखा है। एनीथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग विच इज रिटन, सब पढ़ने लायक नहीं होता, लेकिन कुछ चीजें जो ऐसी है जो कि सिद्ध की हुई चीजें हैं। सिमिलरली ये जो स्टोरीज आप पढ़ेंगे, these are from very famous writers and they have given you this gift, given us this gift to read, to be, and not only to entertain but to feel good. You feel good, yeah, something happened like this, the person said this, the person did this. And my focus is English literature for students because, and the only one thing is, which I have seen, which I've heard, which I have experienced in Simmons College, that yes, they have become better speakers, more confident, they update their vocabulary. That is automatically updated because आप पढ़ोगे कितनी सारी चीजों को, उनको समझोगे, उनकी vocabulary जानोगे, तो automatically your vocabulary will be updated anyways, and which you're going to use in your daily life, day-to-day life, isn't it? So literature is for students to, of course, passing an exam is something which you have to do, but then don't think of literature as just for passing exam. Think of it as a tool to a gift which is going to enhance your English, isn't it? So yes, literature adds value to your life. You become enriched. And if you become a book lover, अगर आप पढ़ना शुरू करोगे, then you will never find a boring time in your life. Because every book will tell you a story. Each book is a story in itself. Some books you will read again and again. Like your religious books, you will read again. I don't know how many times people read. You read it again and again, and every time you read, you feel as if this is the first time I'm reading this. So this feeling may come. So literature adds value to your life. Literature does a lot of good to you. And literature imparts living. It means it shows you how to live. It teaches, it educates. We learn from other people's mistakes. We learn from other people's success stories. And we learn to be like them. Right? And literature helps to understand life. जिंदगी को समझने का बहुत अच्छा एक जरिया है literature. चाहे हिंदी हो, उर्दू हो, कोई साहित्य हो, साहित्य के अपनी एक जगह है, वो जगह बरकरार है, कायम है. Right? It helps to understand people. It helps to understand life. And of course, it provides information. It provides information, and the scope is immense. The scope is so deep and wide that even a lifetime may not be enough to really study literature. एक लाइफ टाइम भी कम पड़ जाएगी तो वाकई जानने के लिए कि लिटरेचर क्या है, what actually is literature. And the importance for the breadth of knowledge, it gives the moral values. It teaches you. There are so many stories with morals, isn't it? The moral of the story is. तो हर स्टोरी एक सीख दे जाता है आपको. Moral values it carries, and the enjoyment it provides. Of course, literature is stories. You enjoy reading stories. So literature is important. Literature is definitely much more than its literary meaning, which defines it as an acquaintance to letters. In fact, it lays the foundation of a fulfilling life. It adds life to living. So what a beautiful sentence. It adds life to living. So this was the importance of literature, and of course it adds immense values. After you come back from chat, we'll start the stories and section, the stories, and in your I hope you all are, you'll be busy in your chat puja, isn't it? So I'm not giving any assignment, but when you come back after the vacation, we'll start the class. And my first question will be, what is the importance of English literature? इस पर you have to make a speech. ठीक है? इस क्लास में speeches भी होंगे, debates भी होंगे, सब कुछ होगा यहाँ पे.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Can you tell me about which books should we have?
Yeah, I'll give you the book. I'll give you the content which I have compiled. Your syllabus, the book already is there, and it's in the library. You can have it, or you can Golden Heritage for poetries and short stories. There are two books. Short stories के लिए Merchant of Venice already हर जगह मिल जाएगा आपको. Merchant of Venice available everywhere, and Golden Heritage for stories and poetry के लिए भी book है, which is in Simage already library में. All right, that's it for today.